Good morning, middle school. Happy Monday. Happy November. It is November 2nd, y'all. We are so close to the end of this marking period. I can feel it. So everyone's going to have the same opportunities this week. Even though this says sixth grade, everyone's going to have the same opportunities. It is a new month, so I changed my homepage. I am a turkey, gobble, gobble. But let's take a look at our week number 9 workflow. Okay, now this week is going to be a little different because we are at the end of the marking period. So everything that I have posted is due Friday because we have to get grades in for report cards. So everything is due on Friday and everything will close Friday at 11:59. This week is a normal week. You will have your CNN warm-up every day. I've put your junior scholastic on Monday because it is about the election, which happens on Tuesday. So I bumped that up a little bit. So here is our America's Choice Junior Scholastic for the week. And as always, I want you to answer the questions here, blah, blah, blah. Click the submit button here, but also enter into the reply box because that is how you turn it into Canvas. This one, I'm asking you to tell me your favorite song or musical artist, or you can tell me both if you would like, but I'm interested in getting to know you guys better. So that is why I have changed this criteria. So you have your junior scholastic. So you still have 15 points possible to earn for this week. This is a final opportunity for any outstanding assignments. During this final week of the first marking period, you are still expected to complete your daily CNN 10 assignment and your junior scholastic. In addition, I have opened up all assignments from weeks 2 through 8. Remember, week 1 was practice for extra credit, so that one is not open. This is the final opportunity on any missing social studies assignments. In order for grades to be updated for report cards, all assignments must be turned in Friday, this November 6th at 11:59. There are 2 ways that you can see what is missing. Your best way to see what is missing is go into the grade book and see what is marked as missing or has a 0. So if you click on the pink link, it will take you to the grade book. The best way for you to see your grades is to click this drop down and arrange by the module. I already have it on module, but once I did that, I would click apply. So let's see if I change it here. Takes a minute for the computer to think. Okay. So now it's arranged by due date, but I want it to be arranged by module because that is how the marking period was laid out week by week. And each module is a week. So I'm going to click down on module and click apply. It might already be set that up that way for you guys, but just in case, go by module. So as you can see, the first week was extra credit. That's why there's 0 points. But as I scroll down, I can see assignments I submitted late and maybe got a 0 for that I can change that. Assignments that are flagged as missing, I know I can go back and do those. Some of them do not have a grade. That means that you need to go into that assignment and check and make sure that you did it as well. But this is a good indicator for you to go through and see what is missing and what needs to be turned in. Another way you can, it's not as reliable, but you can go through the modules, which are all published now. And anything that has this red mark, so see how it says this assignment is overdue, meaning you haven't turned anything in and there's a 0 there. But it doesn't pop up for all of them. As you can see, let me scroll down. Let's see. Where is the one? So see this one right here where it says what is where and why is it there? There is no red mark because if you remember, for 6th grade, this was a Google Doc. Okay, so that is why the gradebook is the best indicator of what is missing. However, you can come here and look for these red dots as well if you need assistance. The last thing I want to share with you for this week is I'm providing one last chance for some extra credit. There is up to 40 points possible doing 4 junior scholastics. You can do 1, you can do 2, you can do all of them. You do not have to do the first one. You could just do the third one. Doesn't matter. These are extra credit assignments. They are not required. They are an opportunity for you to add some points to your grade by reading these junior scholastic articles and answering the 10-point questions. And obviously, each prompt has you replying with a different get to know you feature. So you do not necessarily have to go in order. You don't have to do any 4 of them. You could do number 4, but none of the other ones. You could do 2 and 3 and none of the other ones. This is for you to decide what is important for you. Other than that, that is your week. You are still expected to tune into your Zoom classes. And as a reminder, all assignments are due Friday at midnight. Have a great week, everybody. Finish strong.